Hello guys, today we're on the 2011 Math for High School Girls Problem 18. So the polynomial p is a quadratic with integer coefficients. For every positive integer n, the integers p of n and p of n are relatively prime to n. If p of 3 is equal to 89, what is the value of p of 10? So first of all, we first want to find what p of 0 is. And so p of 0 is just equal to p of n mod n. And we know that the GCD of p of n and n is equal to 1. So that means that the GCD of p of 0 and n is also equal to 1. And so that means that p of 0 can equal 1 or negative 1. And so the thing with that is that if p of 0 equals 1, then p of 3 is equal to 3 times whatever plus p of 0. And we know that it would have to equal negative 1, as 89 is 2 mod 3. So p0 is negative 1. And so now we want to find what p of negative 1 is. And so we know that p of negative 1 is equal to p of 0. And so this is just equal to p of n. And we know that, and mod n, obviously, sorry. And so we know that the p of n, similarly to the other one, the GCD of this and n is equal to 1. So this means that p of negative 1 is equal to 1 or negative 1 or 1. So how do we find what p of negative 1 is? So, well, we know that p of 3 is equal to p of negative 1 mod 4. And so 89 is equal to p of negative 1 mod 4. And so now logically, p of negative 1 is equal to 1, as 88 is a multiple of 4. So now we know that p of negative 1 is equal to 1, p of 0 is equal to negative 1, and p of 3 is equal to 89. And so what we want to do now is that we figured out that doing this, we get that a minus b is minus 1 is equal to 1. And so that means that is equal to 2. And then we have that 9a plus 3b is equal to 90. So we want to solve the system of equations. Let's multiply this by 3. So 3a minus 3b is equal to 6. And 9a plus 3b is equal to 90. So this tells us that a is equal to 8, and consequently b is equal to 6. And so now finally we want to find what p of 10 is, and so this is just 800 plus 60 minus 1 for 859 as our answer. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and watch another one. Peace.